Hey guys, welcome to the brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can design a eagle head. This part just for design, and if you want draw realistic, you should watch the next part. So, let's go. Before the tutorial, let me explain to you with a picture. One of the best ways to design an eagle's head is to divide it into geometric shapes. Of course, this method is suitable for most birds of prey, but it is best for this type of bird. Just like the picture, we draw the top of the bird's head in the shape of an oval. The next step is to pull the tip of the bird. This time we draw the tip in a triangle. Like picture. It is important to note that one of the vertices of the triangle is on the tip of the bird. The other end of the triangle is in the corner of the bird's mouth. And the other vertex of the triangle is above the bird's tip. The bird's nose touches the top of the triangle you see in the picture and does not pass through it. To draw the bird's eye, you have to draw 3 lines A, B and C as shown and get help from these lines. Line A is placed right in the corner of the bird's mouth and upwards, as in the picture. Lines B and C are drawn just above and below the bird's nose towards line A, as shown. Lines A and C are in the middle of the bird's eye and line B is just below the bird's eye. After drawing these parts, it will be easier for you to continue drawing. A few points about drawing eagle eyes. The eagle's eye should not be drawn completely round from the side angle, otherwise it will look like an owl. It should be drawn slightly oval, just like the picture. The upper part of the eye is very close to the eye and you should not draw it too far. Drawing feathers and their shape has a separate method that you can see in the next part. Another point is under the bird's neck. As you can see in the video, the underside of the bird's neck should never be drawn in front of the marked top of the head, otherwise it is wrong. As I said before, the eagle's eye should be drawn a little oval from this angle, just like the picture. After these steps, it is time to draw the details, which requires a little practice to better understand. And after drawing, it is time to draw realistic, and you can watch the realistic tutorial in the next part. Now, for your better understanding, I will give you another example in exactly the same way. This part of the bird's tip is drawn just outside the triangle, like the picture. Lines B and C vary in the drawing of the eyes in some birds and angles. Just like the second example. Here line C is above the bird's eye and line B is at the bottom and middle of the eye. After drawing the details, it is the turn of the main part, that is, the realistic painting, which you can see in the next part. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you need any special tutorial, give me a comment or email me so I can share it with you. I love you and see you in the next videos.